I've made over $1 million in just the last year launching crypto meme coins. But if I lost it all today, in this video I'm gonna show you exactly how I would do it all over again to make my first $100,000 even if you have zero knowledge. And I know you clicked on this video for a reason. You've seen people making a shit ton of money, 100x, 500x in just minutes. And you're just losing money, not knowing what to do. And that's exactly why I'm here to help you make some money. And the truth is that the people who are actually making the most money with meme coins are the people who are launching and creating the coins. Why? Because all they have to do is launch the coin, get the market cap high enough by just waiting, and simply just remove the liquidity, and they're walking away with thousands of dollars on every single launch. And trust me, this method is fully repeatable. You can repeat this process 1,000,000 times if you wanted to and make thousands, and you have nothing to lose. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to launch your own coin and make a shit ton of money. But obviously this video is for educational purposes only, so if you want to make some money, well, copy me. But anyways, now it's time to cut all the bullshit and to head straight to the point. To launch your own coin, you want to come to launchtoken.Fun, and here you will be able to launch your own coin with no coding required and super fast on the Radium DEX. And if you are not familiar with the Radium DEX by now, well, it's basically a better version than Pump.Fun, because Pump.Fun is too saturated at the moment. Too many coins are being created and the market caps are not even high enough. I can even prove that to y'all if I go on my photon trending and I go on the Pump.Fun DEX. Just look at the horrible market cap, 6k, 4k, 16k. But if I go on the Radium DEX, the market caps are way more higher, 14 million, 6 million, 20 million, 50 million, 50 million, 5,000, that's bad, 200,000, 400,000, okay? You have to be making coins on launchtokens.fun if you want to maximize your profits. Now, as you can see on screen, you have two different options into making your meme coin. First of all, you could either create it manually by pulling the token name. So for example, I would put Trump, token symbol, I would put Trumpy, and after that you would put a random ass image of your choice, and then you would click on next and make your coin manually. But if you are lazy like me and you want to make some money with no marketing required, you can come to the copy coins feature on the third tab, and you can actually duplicate any coin that pops up here. All these coins have a good narrative in general, so they're proven to get you some buyers because they're all trending and pumping on the Pump.Fun DEX. So you will basically be listing them back up on the Radium DEX, and you will be making a shit ton of money. I personally do this all day and I make thousands of dollars. People in my Telegram, in my Discord server, in my DMs are fucking making so much money just by duplicating meme coins that are already trending at the moment. But like I said, I'm gonna create and duplicate a coin here to prove that this shit actually works and that you can make some money. Okay, so the House of Memes right here just caught my attention. It has 200 replies and a $21,000 market cap, and the last buy was 4 seconds ago. So I'm gonna create coin. Your phantom will pop up, just go inside of it. After that, a warning will pop up. This is completely normal. Just proceed anyway and continue. Confirm. I understand. Confirm. And then your coin should be created. Oh yeah. Whoops. Yeah. Boom! It popped up. Now click on copy token address right here and click on create liquidity pool, and now it's time to make your coin tradable on the blockchain. Okay, so here select your coin. It's already pre-selected. As you can see, I have a bunch of coins because I make money by doing this, obviously. Here select your Solana balance. Here click on max because you want to put 1 billion coins in the pool, and the amount token B right here is actually the amount of liquidity that you're buying in with your own money. I like to put anywhere from 0.3 to 1 Solana, but I'll put 0.5 Solana for the video. Obviously make sure you have enough here. I would recommend 0.5. honestly. You can put a bit less if you want or more if you want. And also this money is a no loss. It will come back inside your wallet since you'll be the first buyer inside your coin. So after you remove the liquidity, it will come back inside your wallet. Okay, you are not losing this money. Now click on create pool and do confirm, then click on refresh. Boom, it popped up. You're already $10 in profit. Now click on view on photon, and now your coin is live. It's already pumping a lot. Okay, now it's pumping a lot. Let me go see the buyers. Okay, we just got a $45 buy instantly right off the bat. Okay, we just got a $10 buy, but this one was a bot. Okay, buyers are coming in. By the way, some of these might be bots, but this is actually good for a coin because it creates volume and it will attract real buyers, okay? If we look at the chart, you can see that it's going up. Let's fucking go. Oh my god, what the hell just happened? So it dipped, it went up, and it dipped after. What the fuck? Okay, now it's pumping, not bad. Let's go. Okay, if the coin gets one more big buy, I am gonna remove the liquidity. Fuck it. Oh my god! Okay, now to remove the liquidity, come back to launchtoken.Fun, click on the minus button, do 100%, remove the liquidity out of the coin. After that, click on confirm, and boom! We just removed the complete liquidity out of the fucking coin, bro. And that's exactly how you make money off meme coins. And if I open my Phantom wallet to prove that this shit actually works, $800 is inside my Phantom wallet.